Get informed and updated on issues around you and the globe as well. KKTV Katikati.
Hello. Welcome to KKTV Uganda. As usual, Saif Pro, I'm gonna take you to the top 10 richest musicians, all artists in Africa. Okay. The top 10 richest musicians, all artists in Africa 2020. Yes. Of course, the African music is enticing. Most artists have come together to create collaborations that hit and propelled them to stardom. When artists apply the right tools of marketing, including social media, they gather a huge following, which in the end translates to monetary gain. The following are top 10 and are the 10 of the richest musicians in the industry you ought to take note of. Number 1 is Akon. Akon worth $80 million. Akon currently stands as the richest African artist. He is worth $80 million according to Wealthy Gorilla. Born Alwem Al-Damala Badala Akon Thiam, aka Akon. He is a Senegalese American hip-hop artist. He is a multi-talented individual with songwriting and singing, business, recording, production, and acting skills. He has been able to accumulate wealth over the years because of his versatility, and ability to venture into other investment areas. As the richest musician in Africa, he writes songs and he is also engaged in production, producing them. His sound recording and advertising deals also add an extra coin to his pocket. He has 2 labels called Convict Music and Conlive Distribution. These are some of the most popular labels in the world, having signed some of the world's best, including T-Pain and Lady Gaga. This alone is able to put him on the forefront as far as making money in the music industry is concerned. Apart from his skills in wealth creation via additional means, his singing talent set him apart, giving him an edge over competitors. He enjoys great popularity among listeners around the world. Akon has sold more than 35 million albums and has been nominated for Grammy Awards 5 times. 45 of his songs hit the Billboard Hot 100 Songs list. His amazing talents continues to put him on the map. Then I bring you number 2. Number 2 is called Black Coffee. Black Coffee is worth $60 million. Black Coffee, whose real name is Nkosinathi Mafumulo, is South Africa's richest musician and the second wealthiest in the continent of Africa. He has a net worth value of $60 million. He comes from KwaZulu Natal, but was raised in the East African Cape Province. He is a celebrity artist and a holder of numerous awards. While he may not be popular in West Africa, his roots is in the South. In addition to that, he is also extremely popular abroad. His creativity appeals to fans that appreciate the electronic music genre. He began his career in 1995 and revealed 5 albums under his own label. He made significant growth steps in 2004 when he was chosen for Red Bull Music Academy held in Cape Town in 2005. He won the Breakthrough DJ of the Year award at the DJ Awards in Ibiza. I bring you number 3, and he is one of my favorite artists. He is called Davido. Davido is net worth $16 million. Nigerians can celebrate knowing that one of their own makes it to the list of the greatest in the industry. Popularly known as Davido, David Abadeji Adeleke was born in Atlanta, Georgia. He was popularly known for his excellent songs, most of which tend to become household names in Nigeria. He has made tremendous achievements in showbiz, especially in West Africa. Davido has many nominations, awards, and profitable endorsements. His DMW label also brings a new substantial amount of cash, which contributes to his 16 million net worth value. According to Forbes, and as reported by Tuko News, the net worth of Davido makes him the richest musician in Nigeria. His ability to transform music from being a hobby and talent to so much more that it became a business in a secretary to his success. It took him only a few years to get a high status in the world of African show business. In 2011, the single Black Wayne was released. It was the starting point of his success. Gradually, the artist gained more and more fame and recognition. This led to the spread of his influence. He went on to collaborate with other celebrities and organize concerts in various parts of the world. All of his tracks are sure bangers and hits because he brings his all on the table. With so much energy and love for his fans, it is not surprising that he continues to excel in a competitive industry. Then we go to number 4. He's called Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy is worth $10 million. Don Jazzy's real name is Michael Colin Ajele. His love for the music started when he was just a child in church. He later moved to the UK and began his journey up to the career ladder. His current net worth, according to the Celebrity Net Worth, Don Jazzy is worth 10 million. Today, Don Jazzy is among Africa's richest musicians, owing to the strongly expressed talents in producing, writing, and performing songs. Entrepreneurship. Don Jazzy has won numerous awards throughout his career, including when he became an ambassador for the MTV brand. He found his own record label and helped many talented artists achieve success. He is also engaged in business related to real estate and producing Wi-Fi in Nigeria. We go to number 5. This is none other than Banky W. Net worth 9 million. Banky W, the handsome musician, makes it to the list of Nigerian musicians that are making a mark in the African music industry. He is not only a good artist with powerful vocals, but can be considered an athlete, a businessman as well. Banky W net worth value is estimated to be $9 million. The EME record label boss is not only involved in music alone, he has gathered a lot of his wealth through other business ventures, including taking part in telecom and other business. His different deals with varied companies give him an edge over the others. He believes in supplementing his musical career for financial stability. Then we go to number 6. None other than Timaya. Timaya is net worth 80 million. Timaya net worth value is given as 8 million. This makes him one of the richest musicians in Nigeria and Africa. He is a singer and songwriter born as Initemi Timaya Odona in August 1977. The artist nurtured his skills and created a name for himself. He has grown to become one of Nigeria's best artists. best referred to as Timaya. He found DM Records Limited, began his solo career in 2005 after releasing the track Dem Mama, which also appeared on his debut album True Story that was released the next year. And then we go to number 7, none other than Sarkodie. Sarkodie is worth $7 million. Sarkodie, net worth is currently $7 million. The popular Ghanaian rapper is one of the most popular artists in Ghana and West Africa. He is rated as one of the richest musicians in Ghana. He is the most prominent star of the Ghana music scene, the only representative of his country on the list. His real name is called Michael Owusu Odo. Michael Owusu Odo. The African public closely watches his creativity. He gains millions of views on YouTube. The first single from his fourth album, Mary, was sold in the circulation of about 4,000 copies per release a day. He started as an amateur rapper. The manager helped Sarkodie to engage in the professional career. The artist is true to his identity. He adds the Ghanaian motivates to music. Sarkodie's worth was rewarded. He receives many nominations and awards, continues to move confidently towards their success. In 2013, his line of clothing appeared. He also founded a music label to support other African musicians. This number 8. We got number 8, none other than Tinashe, the female one. Net worth $6 million. According to Celebrity Net Worth, the American with Zimbabwean roots represents the South African country on the list. She is the only lady on the list who was born in the United States from a Danish mother and Zimbabwean father. This girl started singing before she even started working. Her life has always been somehow connected with music. As a child, Tinashe was a kid model in 2000 and 2000s, and her first film experience took place. The first album of the girl became a real sensation. She shone as the new star of the music industry and collaborated with many celebrities. Thereafter, Tinashe is the ambassador of several brands. Despite the young age, this lady managed to become incredibly successful and rich. Here is number 9, none other than Wizkid, a net worth of $4 million. It's not a surprise. According to Wealthy Gorilla, one of Nigeria's most popular artists, Wizkid has a net worth value of $4 million. He is a Lagos native and is considered a successful songwriter and singer. He is a holder of a Top Hot 100 song, Top R&B song and Top R&B collaboration awards. Many fans call him the king of African music because he hits every time he gets behind the music shine. The artist tried to separate the national motifs all over the world. He has signed contracts with the popular brands, including the Empire Meets Entertainment EME in 2009. His extra links and endorsements are also an additional income, with a good example being when he cooperated with Pepsi. He began as an ordinary boy singing in church. Who would have thought that after a while he would work with the world scale star and receive cosmic revenues? This is the last one, and he's called Hugh Masekela. Hugh Hugh Masekela, net worth $1.5 million. The African giant had a net worth value of $1.5 million. According to Celebrity Net Worth, the South African artist was one of the greatest of all time. His writing, singing, and production skills still stand the test of time even after his death. Throughout his long and productive life, this artist created more than 43 albums. He performed with many famous musicians from different genres. Masekela enjoyed the warm love of fans of different age categories. He died on January 23rd, 2018. Sorry, so sad. Rest in peace, bro. At the age of 78, Hugh Masekela. Okay. That was the top 10 richest musician or artist in Africa. I once repeat the list. One of the top richest musician in Africa, all the top richest artists in Africa. Number 1 is Akon, worth 80 millions. And number 2 is Black Coffee, net worth $60 million. Then number 3, none other than Number 3, none other than Davido, net worth $16 million. Number 4, none other than Donny Jazzy, net worth $10 million. Number 5, none other than Bank W, net worth $9 million. Number 6, none other than Timaya, net worth $8 million. Number 7, none other than Sarkodie, net worth $7 million. Number 8, none other than Female One Tinashe, worth $6 million. Number 9, none other than Wizkid, the Nigerian superstar, worth $4 million. Wow. And number 10, Hugh Masekela, net worth $1.5 million. Thank you for being part of KKTV Uganda. That was the top 10 richest musician in Africa. We continue once again. We met. Thank you for being part of us. But don't forget to subscribe for more news. Then we continue. Cypro, as usual, I sign out.
Thank you for subscribing to KKTV.